The world of banking revolves around two key players, the banker and the customer. Their relationship, built on trust and mutual benefit, forms the bedrock of financial transactions. But who exactly are these players and what defines their roles? A banker, according to legal frameworks like the Bills of Exchange Act of 1882, essentially deals with money. They receive deposits, lend money, and facilitate various financial services. Think of them as custodians of public trust, managing money and enabling economic activity. On the other side of the counter stands the customer, the individual or entity that utilizes the services offered by a banker. From depositing their hard-earned savings to seeking loans for their ventures, customers rely on banks for their financial needs. This essay delves into the multifaceted relationship between bankers and their customers, exploring the different types of customer accounts and the legal and documentary requirements surrounding them. For most individuals, their first interaction with a bank involves opening a personal account. This serves as a gateway to a range of banking services, from simple savings and withdrawals to more complex investments. But personal accounts are not a one-size-fits-all concept. They cater to diverse needs and demographics. Single accounts, as the name suggests, are designed for individuals operating independently. Joint accounts, on the other hand, are suitable for two or more individuals, such as spouses or family members, who wish to manage their finances jointly. Recognizing the needs of all segments of society, banks also offer specialized accounts tailored for illiterate individuals, blind persons, and minors. These accounts typically involve simplified procedures and safeguards to ensure accessibility and protection for vulnerable customers. Whether it's a young adult starting their first job or a senior citizen managing their pension, personal accounts form the foundation of financial inclusion, allowing individuals to participate actively in the economy. Unique to the Indian subcontinent, the Hindu undivided family, or HUF, is a traditional family unit with significant legal and financial implications. An HUF account allows the family to manage its assets collectively, with the senior-most male member, known as the Carter, acting as the custodian. The legal framework surrounding HUFs is rooted in ancient Hindu customs and codified in various legal pronouncements. The operation of HUF accounts is governed by specific rules, including the rights and responsibilities of the Carter and the distribution of assets among family members. HUF accounts offer several benefits, such as tax advantages and the preservation of family wealth across generations. However, they also come with complexities, requiring careful consideration of legal and familial dynamics. For many aspiring entrepreneurs, a sole proprietorship is the first step towards realizing their business dreams. In this business structure, the individual and the business are considered one and the same, offering simplicity but also unlimited liability. Opening a bank account for a sole proprietorship involves specific requirements. The individual must provide proof of identity, proof of business address, and often a registration certificate under the Shop and Establishment Act of the respective state. While straightforward to set up, it's crucial for sole proprietors to understand the legal and financial implications, especially the aspect of unlimited liability where personal assets are at risk in case of business debts. Section 5. Partnerships. Strength in numbers. When two or more individuals come together to pool their resources and expertise, they often form a partnership. This business structure allows for shared responsibility, combined capital, and potentially greater growth prospects. Legally, partnerships are governed by the Indian Partnership Act 1932. To open a partnership account, banks require a partnership deed, a crucial document outlining the rights, responsibilities, and profit-sharing arrangements among partners. Transparency and clear communication are essential in partnerships. A well-drafted partnership deed, along with a cooperative approach, can lay the foundation for a successful and enduring business relationship. Section 6. Limited Liability Partnerships, a modern business structure. The Limited Liability Partnership, or LLP, offers a hybrid structure combining the flexibility of a partnership with the limited liability protection of a company. This makes it an attractive option for professionals and businesses seeking a balance between growth and risk management. LLPs are governed by the Limited Liability Partnership Act, 2008. Setting up an LLP account requires an LLP agreement, a comprehensive document outlining the rights and duties of partners, similar to a partnership deed, but with the added advantage of limited liability. By limiting the liability of individual partners, LLPs encourage entrepreneurship and innovation, allowing individuals to take calculated risks without putting their personal assets at stake. Section 7. Companies, the face of commerce. From multinational corporations to small and medium enterprises, companies form the backbone of the global economy. These legal entities, distinct from their owners, offer limited liability protection and a structured framework for growth and expansion. Companies in India are primarily governed by the Companies Act 2013. Opening a company account necessitates a plethora of documents, including the Certificate of Incorporation, Memorandum of Association, Articles of Association, and board resolutions authorizing the account opening. Navigating the legal and regulatory landscape for companies can be complex. Seeking professional guidance ensures compliance and facilitates smooth business operations. Section 8. Trusts, safeguarding the future. Trusts serve as vital instruments for asset protection, estate planning, and charitable endeavors. These legal arrangements involve a settlor transferring assets to a trustee who manages them for the benefit of designated beneficiaries. The Indian Trust Act 1882 governs the formation and management of trusts. Opening a trust account requires the trust deed, a comprehensive document outlining the objectives, powers, and duties of the trustee, as well as the rights of the beneficiaries. Trusts offer a powerful mechanism for individuals and families to safeguard their wealth, support charitable causes, and ensure the well-being of future generations. Section 9. Clubs and societies serving a common purpose. From sports clubs to cultural organizations, clubs and societies play a vital role in fostering community engagement and pursuing shared interests. These non-profit entities operate for the benefit of their members, often relying on membership fees and donations. The legal framework for clubs and societies varies depending on their structure and activities. Some may be registered under the Societies Registration Act 1860, while others might operate under less formal arrangements. Opening a bank account for a club or society typically requires its registration documents, a list of office bearers, and a resolution from its governing body authorizing the account opening. Section 10. Conclusion, a symphony of trust and responsibility. The relationship between a banker and a customer is a delicate dance of trust and responsibility. It's built on the bank's ability to safeguard customer funds and provide reliable financial services, and the customer's obligation to operate their accounts responsibly and within the bounds of the law. Understanding the nuances of different customer types, from individuals to complex business structures, is crucial for bankers. Equally important is the customer's awareness of their rights and responsibilities, ensuring smooth and mutually beneficial banking relationships. As we navigate the complexities of the financial world, let us remember that at its core, banking is about trust. It's about enabling dreams, facilitating growth, and building a more financially inclusive and prosperous future for all.